This video will show you how to change the car type in factory menu. First, click Setting here. Factory set. The password is 1314. Click OK. Then you will get into the factory menu here. On the left, click Car type, and then on the right side you will see a lot of options here. For example, if your car is BMW E16 with CCC section, if your car is 6.5-inch screen, then you choose this one. It is a message come out. Just click this one. If your car is 8.8-inch screen, then you should choose this one. Just like this, and click this one. Then you're okay. Now you can go back to the main menu and click this one. It will get into the original menu. If this one is not right, you can find other one. For example here, this one. Or maybe this one. Try one by one. Like this. Then back to the main menu and click this here. If you can get into the factory menu, it is correct car type.